Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to provide the answer for one of the SQL interview questions. That is, what is a table and what is a field in SQL? So, what is a table and what is a field in SQL? So, let me first explain what is a table. Before I explain table, you have to understand in RDBMS softwares. Okay, in RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management Systems. What are the examples for this RDBMS? MySQL, Oracle, and there are many other guys. Okay, SQL Server, like that. Many examples are there for this RDBMS systems. Okay, relational database management systems. So in these systems, in this RDBMS systems like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, the data is generally stored in the form of tables. Okay, data is stored in the form of tables. That means rows and columns. Okay, in the form of rows and columns. Let me give an example, guys. Let's say there is a table. Okay, let's say there is a table like this. The table name is employees table. In this employees table, there are two columns. Okay, there are two columns. One is ID column, other one is name column. Okay, under this ID and name columns, we can have any number of records. Let's say we can have, let's say there are three records. Under ID, one may be there, some two may be there, three may be there. Under name, Arun, Varun, and Tarun are there. Okay, like this. So here, this employees is a table. Employees is a table, guys. Okay, what is the table here? Employees, which has columns and rows. So this is row 1, this is row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay, first row has the table headings, whereas that is column headings. First row has column headings, whereas the from second row onwards we have the data stored in the table. This 1 Arun, 2 Varun, 3 Tarun is nothing but data, whereas ID and name are the column names. And here this ID is a column 1, this name is a column 2. Okay, so what is a table? Table is nothing but a set of rows and columns. Okay, set of rows and columns. Here rows and columns will be there, which will form a table. So in RDBMS softwares, the data is stored in the form of tables like this. Okay, the data in the RDBMS softwares like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server is stored in the form of the tables. Okay, that is in the form of rows and columns. Okay, the rows and columns using which the table will store the data into the tables. Fine. Now you understood what exactly is table. Okay, now you understood what exactly is a table. Now coming to fields. What is a field or what are fields? What are fields? So these columns are in the this column names, these columns in the table are nothing but fields. So here in this particular employees table we have two columns, ID column and name column. So here fields are nothing but, what are the fields, guys? There are two fields in this particular table. There are two fields, that is ID field and name field. Okay, like this there are two fields in this particular employees table. So this is a terminology, guys. Okay, why I'm explaining this answer for this interview question, why the people are asking this kind of question in the interviews. They are trying to check your, they are trying to check whether you know this table and field terminology. Okay, so table is something like this, complete table. Here employees is a table which has this rows and columns, and which has this rows has the data stored under the columns. Okay, and coming to the fields, fields are nothing but the this column names are nothing but the fields. Here ID column is can be called as ID field and name column can be called as name fields. So this is enough, guys. As part of terminology, this will be enough for you to answer in the interviews. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.